Good afternoon. This is day 30 since my surgery on my ankle. So basically, like I said before, I had the broken fibula in multiple places by my ankle. And then I found out, I read the doctor's notes. I don't know if I mentioned all this yet, but I had my deltoid ligaments injured. And there was no surgery on that, so I don't think that was really bad, I'm hoping. But I found out what I thought. So when I looked at the notes, I always thought syndesmosis was for my deltoid. Well, it's not. It's a different ligament. It's basically a high ankle sprain. It's called the ligament between your fibula and your tibia. Basically, I had a severe tear and I had to have surgery on that. So I have two screws holding the bones together down there, the fibula and tibia, because that's the job of the ligament, but the ligament is, torn. So those screws, I looked at pictures, go through both your bones. They're really long. And then, of course, I have the metal plate in my fibula with 9 screws. And then there's another screw I want to find out where it is. I don't know where it is. I wonder if it's holding the bottom of the ligament down that's in between those two bones. But anyway, I wanted to show you a picture of, that's my incision. I think it's healing pretty well. And on this side, the swelling is getting better. And I don't know if that was an incision point or if that's a pressure sore from the cast. And right here too. But see, my foot is, I think it's looking better. But this is what $60,000 ankle surgery looks like. And we had to pay $3,000 of that, which isn't horrible. I think we paid $1,500 for the ER also so far. No idea. We haven't got any bills for the office visits, post-op visits yet. No idea how much that's going to be, but I think everything's getting better. The bruising down here is starting to go away. And you can see it's starting to look like a foot again. So I can feel my ankle joint, my ankle on this side. This side is still a little swollen. I can't feel it. So this is where the deltoid ligament is, on this side. And I think that could take 6 to 8 weeks to heal, I read. The top of my foot, I had some swelling here still, and then here it's good. But it's starting to feel better without the all the pressure points from the cast were in here. And that's starting to feel better. And I touched myself to make sure that it's pink, and you can basically, it turns white when you touch yourself, and then it goes back to pink, and that's how you know your blood flow is good. But can't wait to shower in 2 weeks. It's gonna be awesome. Should be able to walk up and down the steps in at least in a boot probably. But yeah, that's it. It's looking better, one day at a time. And so last time I think she forgot a suture there. I see something sticking out at the very bottom. But I'll give you another update in a week or two, show you how it looks. I wish I could have done this when my cast was on, but every time I went to the doctor, I forgot to do it. So I think after this section, I'm going to put some video of Zoe that I did a few days ago. Actually, it's been almost a week. And we'll call this good. But hope you all are doing well. Have a good Thanksgiving. And thanks for all of the support. I really appreciate it. And I will talk to you later. All right, time to get some more video of Zoe grooming herself. And she turns away from me. All right, she does not want to be filmed bathing. That was my stomach, Zoe. All right, I'm watching the Nebraska-Wisconsin game, and Nebraska's winning, and Zoe is sleeping, and they have a commercial on for the dog show. I paused the TV now because I don't want to get a visual copyright thing. After my last video, when I was doing this, I didn't know that was such a thing. I mean, yeah, that's all I'm going to say. Oh, she is tired. Oh, there we go. Tummy shot. Look at that. She is warm. Oh, she likes her armpits scratched, rubbed. Oh, they're warm. So our neighbor just got a cat, I think it's 2 or 3 years old. She adopted, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Its name is Moxie. It's a girl. But that's enough of Zoe.